Hello guys, and yes, another ride in January in winter, but look at this weather. Very sunny, but I admit it's a little bit windy. So, no mountains for today, just the sea, the Mediterranean Sea, and unfortunately some winds. I'm not alone, there is another CB650F just behind me, a black Honda, so enjoy this ride. Non, c'est pas bon. On va se mettre... Il y avait écrit moto, c'est pour ça, mais on va se mettre plus loin, ouais. C'est bon? Pardon? Oui, vers là-bas, ouais.